Hey guys, Diwali is coming up very soon, so here's a makeup look I shot. I call this the Golden Goddess look because it's minimal yet statement worthy and has tons of gold and shimmer. So to see how to get this look, please keep watching. So I went ahead and prepped my skin with concealer and foundation. For my foundation, I used L'Oreal's True Match. Then went in with my concealer and drew diagonal lines to sort of brighten the whole area. Next up, I started with my eyebrows. All I did was fill in the sparse areas in a little to achieve a sort of natural effect. I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Then next, onto the eyes. I'm taking stickies and applying it to the lower part of my eye as you can see here, just so that my lines come out neat and proportionate. I'm using a mix of eyeshadows for this one. First up is MAC's Foil Shadow in Fairyland that I'll apply to the rest of my lid. Then I'm using a really pigmented gold shadow and concentrating most of the product on the inner corners of my eye up to the middle. Now from the same palette, I'm taking a brown hue and lightly dusting it over the outer corner and very slightly into the crease to give it that shadow effect. Next up, I'm buffing the crease out and blending the colors in just a little. Next, I remove the stickies and sort of gently blend in the harsh lines. Now onto the eyeliner. You can use a liquid liner or a pencil, but I go for my trusted old gel pot and angle brush. I've done many tutorials on how you can get a perfect wing liner, but if you'd like an updated version, let me know in the comments below. Once I'm done with my wing, I'm going to drag the line towards my lower lash line, but I'm going to stop it midway. This is because I take the first eyeshadow color and fill it in the inner corner and the lower lash line as well. Now double up on some mascara to finish the whole eye look. Next, I'm going to take some bronzer and blush and work in a natural and defined cheekbone. Once that's done, I'm onto my lips. While nudes and light pinks work very well for Diwali, I'm going towards darker hues for the festive season this time. So I'm using my ColourPop Lippy Stick in Chateau and going in for a dark sultry lip to match the gold eye. Next, I'm going to accessorize this look. If you have any cute bindis lying around, you can totally take some and do what I just did. It'll add its fun and cute element to the entire look. So there you have it guys, a really wearable and pretty look that can be worn on any outfit really, because gold is one of the iconic colors. So let me know what you guys think of this video. If you happen to try this look out, tag MissMalini and tag me and let us know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Happy Diwali!